Hi, Maria here for Beauty Junkees, and today I'm going to show you how to apply blush and highlight using a few Beauty Junkees brushes. I'm going to start off first with blush using the Beauty Junkees Pro Duo Fiber brush, and I will be applying the Beauty Junkees blush in the shade Russet Rose. To start, you will want to focus on the apples of your cheeks about 2 fingers width away from your nose. Lightly tap blush on and begin to sweep along your cheekbones up and outwards towards the temples until you have achieved your desired look and pigmentation. Next, for highlight, I will be showing you how to apply with 2 different brush options. First, I will demonstrate the Beauty Junkees fan brush with the highlight shade Pow. Using a fan brush will give you more of a subtle, natural application. To apply, sweep across the top of your cheekbones in a back and forth motion, moving towards the tail of your eyebrow. Next, you can apply up on the brow bone, stopping just before the arch of the brow, creating a small C shape around the eye. What this does is give your brows and face a little bit of a lift. Other places to highlight are down the bridge of the nose and the Cupid's bow. The thin fan brush makes getting a thin, precise line down the nose easy. Alternatively, you can use the Pro Highlighter brush. This brush gives a slightly more bold application. You can still create a natural look or dramatic effect depending on how much product you use. Using this brush makes highlight application very quick and easy. Again, I will apply the highlighter shade Pow on my cheekbone, sweeping up above my brow bone as well as down the nose and on my Cupid's bow to complete the look. And that's how you apply blush and highlight using Beauty Junkees products. I hope you found this helpful and have a beautiful day.